Yeliseyev, and today we're going to talk about plein air watercolor easels. It was more than a year since I created my old box here, which consists of two. This is one from this part, top part, from the one easel, and this is from another. So when my students asking me where to get this one, to be honest with you, I cannot tell them what to do unless they want to create one. So recently I ran across the easel which made by a company which is called EasyL, and the version of this box is Classic 2. These easels, I thought they made primarily for oil painters, and these easels cannot accept large boards, but I was wrong. Using this Classic 2 easel, I could see that it can accept a half imperial size board oriented vertically, and that's all I need. I don't paint more than half imperial, so 23 inches height. This easel can accept easily, and we're going to check it out. I'm going to test it, and I'm going to show you the hardware of this, how it works. As you can see, it's very light and it's beautiful looking box. So the brass hardware is actually nicely accentuating this color of this wood, which is very nice, and we'll see how it goes when it is in action. So let's see. If you order in this box with tripod from EasyL, they will provide you all hardware, so it won't be any problem for you to attach it. Finger tight, and just snap it into the place. Okay, there is nice locking mechanisms here. Okay, so and then we can open. As you can see, I have already my palette inside, ready for action. Included, there is a shelf with this. You can actually, I think, buy extra hooks for the water. I'll show you how it works. You just hang it over there. And you can see it's very sturdy construction inside. There are two knobs on the right and left. I think it's a solid brass here. Okay, so basically you tighten it, it stays tight. Okay. What I like about this easel is this box is this mechanism over there. As you can see, the holding bracket right inside right here, and there is a spring inside over there. Okay. Well, what's important for this one is should accept, as I mentioned before, the half imperial size watercolor paper in a vertical position. Sometimes we paint sort of medium size, and I have a board right here which is actually 13 inches high, so I can attach my board vertically like this. And as you can see, this holding mechanism is actually working right here without any problems. Let me just put it like this, and that's it. Very sturdy, very nice. Okay. Now, if I'm working in a horizontal position, let's say it is horizontal, half imperial, or it is, for instance, a quarter size, you can just hold it like this. Now, if any case, what I like about this too is I can raise the whole thing up when I'm in a smaller position, like horizontal or quarter size. And I'm going to show you how it works here. So we basically untie two screws over there, put it up so that you wouldn't have to bend. Remember your position while you're painting. We stay in here painting for about 2-3 hours sometimes. And if you're constantly bending, it is going to be, your back is going to ask you for mercy, and you won't be able, of course, to concentrate on your painting. And so yesterday when I was painting this scenery, I put it horizontally and a little bit higher from the floor, so to speak. and it was holding very, very well like this. So basically, that's how it works. Now, my previous easel, with the push of my finger, I could change the angle. It is very important for us watercolorists to change the angle of the board so it would go like lower and higher. With these two notches right here, I can easily do that, just basically untying them slightly. This is tied up, this is untied, okay? And then you can control your height. You can go from the full horizontal and even lower to any, and if you tie them just enough, you don't have to really untie them. It actually holds in place very well. And so I'm going to actually demonstrate you that the way it is, it's holding. So you can tie it more, you can tie it less. Now it's hard for me to move, and a little bit this is going just fine. And as you can see, I'm pressing this and it just stays intact. Very nice, beautiful thing. There is enough space over there for my palette to be open and stay in front. And that is actually, I'm ready for action right now. But that's not it. If you need more space in front of you, EasyL supplying this sort of the shelf, side shelf, which you can attach anywhere you like, right or left. And for instance, I will attach it right here. And as you can see, there are a couple of screws. You can actually attach it. You just slide it in and tighten the knobs right here. The holes for the brushes, we're all set. Now, this, I don't really actually even need this unless I'm using my sketchbook. This is really important to have if you want to hold your sketch in front of you like this. The corners are done very well. As you can see, it's not a dovetail over there, but they are notched one into another, and it should be pretty sturdy. Now, this shelf looks pretty fragile here, but it is actually not. I put my can with water here. Okay, it's not what you want to do that, but you can do even this, and it holds very nicely. Of course, it's a very nice easel, but let's face it, there are some windy conditions sometimes, you know, outdoors. So the ultimate test for any easel, in my opinion, is a falling test. Tripod, check. Easel, everything is working, check. Let me tie it up. Is it holds everything all right here? How about this? Excellent. Everything good here. Let's see, let's exploit and see. This is holding, nothing bent, nothing broken. Let's see. The connector is fine, everything is good. 5 stars out of 5. Thank you. See you next time.